condition and perform a specified operation. Just to refresh your memory, the condition has to be defined within what? We need parentheses, and if you have multiple lines, what should we use? What brackets specifically, Jake? Set brackets. Squiggly brackets. Set brackets, curly brackets. I'm going to create two variables, integer variables, int. Oh. So we got the first and the second number, so you enter the first number followed by the second, and so if the first number is bigger than 5, then we're going to proceed with a second operation. If it is not bigger than 5, we simply do nothing. Last time I showed you something before the hurricane and all as to what we can do to simply break and get out without doing anything in our if block or else block. So what was that? Do we remember? Huh? So last time we did an if condition, else condition, but there was a case where I didn't want to print or do any other operation but skip and just come out. In other words, break the if, but you can't use a break inside of it. Jack? Putting a return statement inside if. So that's exactly what I'm going to do again. So if the number a is greater than 5, then I'm going to perform an operation, but we will get to that later. Else, if it doesn't pass the condition a greater than 5, we simply within an if we can define another if statement, and by all means I can put thousands of if blocks within if within if within if. Do you believe that it is a good practice to define if within if within if? In other words, nested if? No, absolutely not. It is not good programming practice. At most 2 is okay, but anything past that, not okay. If a is greater than 5, I'm going to test to see, yes? First off, it's messy, right? Because you have if within if within if. Second, in terms of debugging, if something goes wrong, you wouldn't know which if. It requires a lot of experience. Third, it's a bad reflection on the programmer or the developer, because that simply tells another person that you can't think logically properly. So, so one of the big things about developers and programmers is to come up with a logical construct that will work. And of course, it comes with practice, but still, why? If even, how do we test if the number is even? Mod 2. How do we do mod in C++? Percent sign. So a mod 2 equals 0. I'll simply say condition pass, the number is even. So I have if the next step is else. What is the condition for else? Or not the condition, what should we put inside else? Odd. Did the condition pass? Or did it fail? Should I type it as condition pass or condition fail? Okay. Down 1 says fail. Jake?
Are you talking about the A is greater than 5?
A main condition.
Oh, the main one?
Oh, sorry, I should have been more clear. I'm talking about the main
The
condition.
main one
Passed. So, condition pass, but the number is odd. If it simply returns doing nothing, it means that the condition failed. Of course, I can add another statement down here to denote that the condition failed, a cout statement, but I am choosing not to do that. No. Okay, give me a number. 23. Okay, second number, 22. So the condition passes, the number is odd. Going to pick 22, which is an even number. Second number is odd. The number is even, but still the condition passes. I want you to modify this code. If the number is less than or equal to 5 and greater than 0, you would test if the number is even or odd. So let's write the steps here. Perhaps I can just add it here. So if first number is greater than, less than or equal to 5 and greater than 0, you will test if number is odd or even, print appropriate output. Otherwise, you simply print not doing anything exit. That is your short activity. Let's see if it can do it.